everyone, I'm wygowarrior, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. WYGO stands for When You Get Old. I am 55 years old, but love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you've stopped by because you're curious what I received in the March 2022 Boxycharm base box, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Alright, so I know others have received their box earlier than me and they've already posted their videos. Lucky people. But I must say, what's today? The 12th. That is on average about a week earlier than normal, so I cannot complain. So if anyone happens to be new and not aware of what Boxycharm is, it is a beauty subscription where you receive 5 full-size products. You get to select one of the items and it retails for $28 a month. All right, and it does. No, because it comes with a card that is glued, and oh my goodness, wow! I won't be able to read anything. Thank God it's the outer side. All right, well, that's what happened to that card. What got in the box like that? That's gross. All right, so the theme is Game Changer. And I am iteration really long number right there. I would have been so pissed if it was the other side that stuck and it took off all the pricing. All right, I digress. So I forgot to comment that this box weighs a ton, like twice as much as a normal box. Do I have any measurements? No, just off of experience of holding a box. So what that tells me is this box probably going to have a lot of skincare because skincare weighs a ton. All right, enough rambling. What is the first item? All right, so what is this? All right, it is from ACEOLOGY and it's a detoxifying treatment mask. I don't know if that's for the hair or the face. Either method, I will not be using it. What does the card say this retails for? It is, shut up. No. $69? What does this do? A supercharged health retreat for congested skin, working to draw out blackheads and impure. Oh, thank God. Thank God I don't suffer from acne. But that's just yet another reason why this will be set aside in a future giveaway. All right, you're the one bad product. I'm gonna love the rest, right? All right, next item. What is this? In a squeezy tube. 50-50 if I'm going to like it. It's coconut and fig. Oh, nope, I should have known. This is a hair mask. I know you're all going to be like, why is she so picky? I have very short hair. I get it cut every 4 to 5 weeks. My hair doesn't get damaged because I cut it so much. I don't need hair masks. I just don't. Okay, so the coconut fig hair mask is actually, oh, there it is on the side. It's from a company called STYLEDRY, and it retails for $16.95. Okay, not bad. Moving along. All right, so here's the item. I can just tell if I'm feeling it. This is my selection. It's a blush palette from OFRA. Enough said. This alone, thank goodness, should cover the box. Because A, OFRA, B, blush, C, gorgeous. All right, let's do some swatches. There are 6 pans. I only have 4 fingers and a thumb, so one of these is going to get skipped. All right, so lightest all the way over here. I just didn't swatch the dark one because I probably won't use it unless for some kind of eyeshadow. Those are lovely. The OFRA Charm Your Cheeks Mini Mix Blush Palette retails for $39. All right, what else came in this box? What is this? We have from a brand I'm not familiar with called VIKE. Or maybe it's like Nike called VIKE. I don't know. It's a makeup melt, which is a gentle oil-free makeup remover spray. Oh, last month or the month before, one of the Bipsy boxes, there was... Patrick Starr had something similar. I'm wondering, and I never got it, so I'm very curious. Thank goodness it had plastic wrap because as I'm peeling this off, I'm feeling moisture. All right, let's see how well it does here. Oh my God. I hope it doesn't say on the side of the bottle, avoid the eye area, because that went straight up in my eye. Am I blind? Nothing's stinging. Hold on, for emergency sakes, let me see what it says. Oh no, okay, thank God. It says, spray directly onto dry skin for eye makeup removal, apply to closed eyes. Oh no. Massage in gentle circular motions with hands, rinse with water. I don't have any water. I thought I could just spray it and then grab like a Kleenex. I'm going to try that. I'm going old school and back to my makeup wipe. Because that, frankly, quicker, faster, works better. The Makeup Melt retails for $24. Leave me a comment and let me know if you have tried this product before or similar. Honestly, I thought I could just spray it and swipe off with a dry Kleenex or towel. If you need water, not lazy girl approved. Boxycharm, it's either Rockstar or in the garbage. Guess what kind of box this is? All right, and the last item, what is this? We have, a tinted moisturizer from STUDIOMAKEUP, and it's formulated with hyaluronic acid, and you get 42 ml. The tinted moisturizer retails for $35. Honestly, I don't know if it'll pick up on camera. Mine feels half empty. It's literally like normally when you get a full tube and you gotta squeeze down and it's not very full. Leave me a comment and let me know if you got this and if it was the same where it seemed half empty. I don't see any kind of shade information. It does say to shake it well. Comes with a pump. Let's see how clear it is because I have a feeling it's not going to provide any coverage, but hopefully it has good skincare ingredients and it's taking 50 years to pump. Okay, 50 pumps later. Where did it go? Okay, it's right there. It does look like it has pigmentation, and that is slightly a little on the warm side, but is actually a pretty good shade match for me. All right, I'm not mad at that product. This product and the OFRA blush palette save this box, in my opinion. And guess what, Nola? I was right. We're Boxy twins. All right, let's recap everything that came in the box. I got a tinted moisturizer, an oil-free makeup removing spray, a detoxifying treatment mask, a hair mask, and a mini blush palette from OFRA. What are your thoughts? I think you know what my thoughts are. Did I get my $28 value? This product alone, yes, and thank goodness for OFRA. I am curious to try the tinted moisturizer to see how close it is to a BB cream and if it has any coverage at all. I am disappointed that it seems half empty because it said it was like 42 grams, which is actually more than a normal foundation, but this seems like less. This one I honestly will probably not use. Let me know if, because I spritzed it, if it's okay to put in a giveaway. No, don't have blackheads, acne, thank God. And even if it was a normal, I don't like face masks. Hair mask. Enough said. All right, I'm going to list the MSRP total. Let me know your thoughts. What did you get in your box? Was anyone else other than Nola a Boxy twin? If so, I'm so sorry. But maybe you liked the box more than me. As you know, I'm a little picky. I don't use face masks. I don't do any hair products unless like it's a dry shampoo or shampoo and conditioner. But yeah, so let me know your thoughts on my box and if you've seen anyone get a much better box. If so, I'm jelly. Okay, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe for for those who have. Thank you so much. Remember to click the bell icon so you're notified of future videos. If you could do me a huge favor and click that thumbs up, it really does help with my channel to grow. All right. Thanks, everyone.